नमस्ते दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप वेल एंड गुड। किसी वर्ड दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग दैट मैटर्स। इंटरनेशनल ब्रेक चल रहा है और इस इंटरनेशनल ब्रेक में अपने इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर्स, आई मीन टू से लिवरपूल के प्लेयर्स बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं इंटरनेशनली। आज ये वीडियो उसी के ऊपर रहने वाला है। सो आई गॉट नन अदर देन माई डियर हस्बैंड हियर to talk about Liverpool with me, one thing that we do a lot, and I thought why not like do it here and talk to you people also about it. By the way, have you like seen what is going on in international break with the Liverpool players? I'm not saying कि कोई और टीम का तो मैच देख रहे हो कि नहीं, बट लिवरपूल प्लेयर्स को देखा कि नहीं?
जो तुमको भी पता है, like it's not like I have seen a lot of these international friendlies and the European qualifiers, but then at the end of the day जब भी कुछ भी अगर न्यूज़ आ रहा है, जितना एक दो मैचेस ही देखे हुए थे, कल नेदरलैंड्स वाला मैच देखा हुआ था, इसके पहले आई थिंक जर्मनी का एक मैच देखा था आई गेस,
तो रॉबर्टसन का देखा था, कॉनर ब्रैडली
देखा हुआ था, काफी देखे हुए हैं,
देख लिए, मतलब ऐसा नहीं हम फुल फ्लेजेड फॉलो किए थे,
बट ठीक ठाक फॉलो किए हैं. And at the end of the day जो भी मतलब we obviously make it a point to go back and see what has actually happened during the match, and it's very exciting to see how the Liverpool players have fared during this international break, and like बहुत मजा आया
actually. And the thing is that when you think of Liverpool's form, and everybody was talking about it कि what a crisis it was. 3 गेम हारे हैं हम लोग एंड एवरीबडी हैज़ लाइक घोषित कर दिया कि लिवरपूल इज इन क्राइसिस. बाय द वे, ऑल दीज प्लेयर्स हु वर नॉट टेक्निकली एबल टू परफॉर्म फॉर लिवरपूल आर एक्चुअली डूइंग रियली वेल फॉर देयर कंट्रीज. एंड यू लुक एट मोहम्मद साला, इजिप्ट को 4th टाइम क्वालिफाई करवाया है वर्ल्ड कप के लिए. दैट्स अ ह्यूज अचीवमेंट. 4th टाइम नहीं, उसने 4th टाइम नहीं, अफ्रीका 4th टाइम क्वालिफाई किया है इन वर्ल्ड कप, एंड 2nd टाइम फॉर मोहम्मद साला. सो दैट्स अ ह्यूज थिंग दैट मोहम्मद साला हैज डन. एंड
obviously
what other player that you want to talk about,
I think
which you feel did not really perform well for Liverpool, but international break में होते ही they are giving goals and performing well.
अगर other than मतलब अगर देखने जाओगे तो there are 2 obvious players who come to your mind when you think about कि they are not actually performing at that level what we expect from them, but during the international break they have had a very good game, and those 2 are Salah obviously, and the second one is Conor Bradley. Conor Bradley had a very good game for Northern Ireland, and वो बहुत अच्छा खेल रहा है. तो like if and even with Kerkez, अगर तुम देखोगे हंगरी के मैचेस, अगर देखोगे ही अगेन,
आई डिड नॉट फॉलो Kerkez. हंगरी का मैंने कुछ भी नहीं देखा,
लेकिन अगर तुम देखो इन द ऑफ चांस की उनके हाइलाइट्स अगर देखो, देन यू विल सी दैट माइलोस Kerkez को वही फ्रीडम दे दिया गया जो हम लोग रॉबर्टसन को नहीं देते थे एक टाइम पे, लाइक जस्ट ब्लास्ट फॉरवर्ड. तो वो फ्री रेन इंटरनेशनल
he does really well, because he used to do that for Bournemouth.
do that in Bournemouth also. So वही प्रोफाइल देख के हम लोग उसको लेके आए हैं, लेकिन now somehow
we have given him a defensive,
more defensive kind of a role to him, जहाँ पे he sits in deep and acts as a third center back sometimes, but then that is not the perfect way. ये तो मतलब एक obviously अपना discussion हम लोग उस level तक लेके जाएंगे ही कि how these players are not being utilized to their optimum levels. And वो दिखता है Kerkez and Bradley से. Bradley had a very good game. Kerkez
actually
had a very
both
good
of our
game.
fullbacks had a really good game. Like Bradley का मैंने देखा था, Kerkez का मैंने फॉलो नहीं किया. बट अगर हम टेक्निकली सोचें, अगर मैं अभी लिवरपूल की टीम के बारे में बात करती हूँ, आई थिंक दैट इज़ वन पॉइंट वेयर आई फील दैट वी रियली हैव टू इम्प्रूव अ लॉट, बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग नॉट जेलिंग अप फॉर मी. बट लाइक ही वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट द 2 players दैट ही फेल्ट कि बहुत ज़्यादा चेंजेस हुए हैं इन इंटरनेशनल ब्रेक दैन व्हेन दे वर प्लेइंग फॉर लिवरपूल. आई फील दैट इसमें तुम एक नाम मेंशन करना भूल गए, बहुत बड़ा नाम, that is Cody Gakpo. I think Gakpo has scored a lot of goals for Netherlands in this international break, and he's finding that confidence to do that there. But what is the issue of him not able to perform in this Liverpool squad? Virgil van Dijk is getting a goal. Konate का इंजरी हुआ है, कितना इंजरी है इतना पता है. मैन यूनाइटेड मैच के अगेंस्ट, मैन यूनाइटेड के अगेंस्ट ही इज नॉट गोना प्ले. So that's of course a big like thumbs down for me, because considering everything that is going on with Konate, इंजरी हो गया, उसका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का सीन चल रहा है, अच्छा वो बंदा खेल नहीं रहा है, ड्यूओलिंगो पे पता नहीं क्या करा है नहीं करा है, वॉट एवर दैट इज, आई डो नॉट नो कि कहाँ से वो अपनी इंस्पिरेशन ले रहा है. वेट, आई डो नॉट नो एनी हाउ. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट Konate? व्हाट इज द इशू?
ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता लाइक हम लोग जैसे फर्स्ट सेकंड सीजन देखे हुए थे कोनाटे का लाइक देयर इज अ वेरी गुड डिफेंडर देयर
Yes.
डेफिनेटली एंड ओवरनाइट कोई बंदा मतलब अच्छे प्लेयर से खराब प्लेयर नहीं होता है एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे दीज आर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स ऑब्वियसली जो ओवर द समर विंडो जो हुआ वो होगा उसके दिमाग में जो उसका ड्रैग ऑन हो रहा है एंड वी हैव एक्चुअली सीन दिस लास्ट ईयर when Real Madrid gets into the picture they play a very
They
big
make it very ugly.
and
It's as simple as
ugly हो चाहे ना हो but when Real Madrid is in the picture ना it's such a brooding cloud of वो कि कोनाटे को अगर देखोगे मतलब जैसे ट्रेंट हो गया था लास्ट तक like he seemed a fraction of a player that he was because
Yes.
it's not just a very simple transfer process कि हाँ this club is interested पेरेंट क्लब को बेचना है तो इनको इतना पैसा देंगे दे विल गो जैसे गेही के साथ अगर तुम देखोगे लाइक इट वाज वेरी क्लीन ऑफ सोबोस्लाई जब आया था या फिर जब कुटिन्यो गया था तो मोस्ट ऑफ आवर सेल्स आर वेरी क्लीन कट कि मतलब हाँ जैसे स्लॉट बोलता भी है जनरली कि लाइक वी एज अ क्लब आर ओपन टू सेलिंग नोबडी इज नॉन सेलेबल वी आर वेरी ओपन टू सेलिंग कि किसी को बहुत प्रेशर नहीं लेना पड़ेगा दिमाग में बस जो इफ द सर्कमस्टेंसेस आर आइडियल वी आर ओपन टू सेलिंग ईच एंड एवरी प्लेयर आउट देयर तो कोई इतना प्रेशर नहीं है कि हम लोग नहीं जाने देंगे हम लोग छोड़ेंगे नहीं ये सब वो सब नहीं है तो बट एवर सिंस मतलब दो ही प्लेयर्स अभी तक हम लोग वो हुआ है ट्रेंट एंड नाउ विद कोनाटे एंड बोथ ऑफ दीज टाइम्स लाइक द वे मैड्रिड ऑपरेट्स इट टेक्स अ बिग टोल ऑन द प्लेयर व्हाइल दे आर प्लेइंग ऑन द फील्ड
and it's clearly visible in their performance as well. You guys tell me that which is that Konate game that you found was really good in this particular season that you thought he has outshined all the other defenders. I'm not talking about all the players playing on the pitch for Liverpool, but I'm just saying that all the defenders that were playing at that point of time. I don't think that you will be able to figure or you'll have to think really hard. I think for me it will be Arsenal game that he did
जो भी है
good.
but even then at the end of the day it has been a season of one man defense with Virgil
exactly.
वो 3-4 बंदों का काम अकेले कर रहे हैं which is why I feel I get very angry when I see Virgil slander on the timeline
Of course with that meme and that
he is not a robot he cannot do the work of every other player in the defense
all
right
the
now.
rival fans, you know, when they would see something like that about a player who has been performing consistently for years, even after ACL injury, all the players, all the rival fans, they got an opportunity to talk about Virgil van Dijk, and this is how they shade him. You know, when it comes to their legends or you know, somebody from their club, everybody expects that sort of respect for the player. वो generally आ जाती है. मेसी जब बार्सिलोना के लिए खेल रहा था, I'm not comparing Virgil van Dijk with Messi, so do not get all कि भाई ये क्या बोल रही है. I'm just saying कि there are some players who definitely deserve that respect. They demand that respect and we need to do that. And that is true for, see, as a player, I'll just throw in a name here. Bruno Fernandes का अगर मैं बोलूँ for Man United, I don't like the player, but I do respect him for the time he has spent at the club and the years that he has given to the club. So there should be that sort of a respect for every other player.
Like nobody has actually doubted how good a player Bruno is. It has always been about his other tantrums या फिर जो complain करता है
The
या
crying
जो
and all,
गिरता
yeah.
रहता है मतलब that is a very different side of his gameplay. But then at the end of the day, nobody disputes that Bruno Fernandes is currently the best player in
People
the
start
United squad.
discrediting Virgil van Dijk
Yeah,
for the
yeah,
past 7 to 8 years that he has given by just that one thing that he did, and I don't even think that was his fault. That goal was his fault. But anyhow, we are not sitting here to tackle or to talk about those things. We're just having a normal discussion of how our players are doing internationally, which is really good if we compare them with the like sort of performances they have given at Liverpool. I think, listen, I have heard people say this thing कि you guys are using it as an excuse, that Jota wala thing. Do you feel that this is an excuse? Like as Liverpool fans, हम लोगों को जो like इसका effect हुआ था, the players who are playing there who have sat with him, eaten with him, played with him, shared the pitch, shared the locker room, shared every moment with him, won't have any effect on them. I don't understand how is that an excuse. What do you think about that?
I think like that is a very cheap thing to say whatever the narrative is being said, we are using that as an excuse. And first of all, I need to admit that I've gone through Twitter and I have seen a majority of our own fans say that to Virgil when Virgil said that after the last game कि नहीं मैं I was telling you repeatedly कि this season is different, so be prepared for it. It's different not because of what's happening on the pitch but what's happening off of it. So
why do I feel, I'm so sorry to cut you, but why do I feel it's like कि sometimes people just expect players to show their emotions publicly, only then they would become believable. Like that's not fair, I feel.
तो पब्लिकली भी दिखाया तो था ही. Why is it not believable then? Salah crying after his scoring after winning that match, even publicly, मतलब उसके तो funeral वगैरह में जब गए ही थे players, you could see that players were devastated. Obviously, like a lot of people would discount it, but I guess most of these people are them जिन्होंने खुद फर्स्ट हैंड इतना क्लोज किसी का डेथ नहीं एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा, और अगर किया है तो आई डू नॉट नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कोल्ड हार्टेड पीपल दे आर. बट इवेंचुअली लाइक अगर मैं A=B B=C हिसाब से जाऊँ, क्लॉप said one time कि football is the most important of the least important things. So when you lose out, you see a player, a colleague lose their lives the way that they did, that Jota did, so it puts a lot of things into perspective. And if I was a player, मैं अगर प्रधानमंत्री भी हो रहा होता, ठीक है ना, if I was a prime minister of a country or the president of a country and somebody very close to me died, it would suddenly put things into a big perspective कि जो मैं कर रहा हूँ, जो मैं उठ के जाता हूँ, ऑफिस भी जाता हूँ या फिर कोई भी काम करता हूँ, is it even worth it?
It's going to have so much effect on it, because I remember when the news of Diogo Jota came out, you know, usually in office we do not call each other at all, and rarely is that he calls me during office. But that particular day I was sitting in my office and I got like 9 to 10 calls from him when Jota wala news aaya, and you know, I was like, why is he calling me so much, what has happened? The thing is, his father is also sick, so I thought maybe, you know, something has happened or something. I was really scared. So I called him up and said, did you see Twitter? Did you see the news? What has happened? Jota is no more. Like, it was such a thing for us to understand what just happened. It took time for me to even understand what has happened. I thought that मतलब ऐसे ही है, मतलब मैं तो बिलीव ही नहीं करी, ऑनेस्टली आई एम टेलिंग यू. इट डिड नॉट इफेक्ट मी द टाइम आई रेड द न्यूज़, बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट बिलीव इट. पता नहीं क्यों मुझे बिलीव ही नहीं होता, मुझे कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं, पता नहीं. बाद में जाके थोड़ा यू स्टार्ट टू प्रोसेस इट एंड इट वॉज नॉट ईजी टू टेक इट. हाउ डू यू इवन लाइक फील अबाउट दिस थिंग कि हाँ बस ठीक है अब तुम खेलने लगे, यू फॉरगेट इट लाइक दैट. यू डोंट नो किसको किस टाइम पे क्या क्लिक कर रहा है. सो ऑफकोर्स it's going to be very difficult, and I'm also guilty of it. When I'm watching Liverpool play, उस टाइम पे मेरे को बहुत गुस्सा आ जाता है अगर हम नहीं अच्छा खेल रहे. Then you start to criticize, then you start to get, because you know you are so pumped up when you're watching a match, and rightly so. That's how you watch a match. You can't be very logical or reasonably correct when you're watching a match, and वो रीजनेबल चीज़ें आती हैं जब एक बार मैच ख़त्म हो जाता है एंड थोड़े घंटे निकल जाते हैं. दैट टाइम यू स्टार्ट टू रियलाइज़ कि नहीं भाई ऐसा नहीं सोचना चाहिए था. उसके लिए टाइम लगता है. And I also feel, even if I am reviewing a match or something, it's not like मैंने match देखा and suddenly you are like, हाँ मैं आ गई हूँ match review करने. I just feel that you need to watch 2-3 times replays and all also to understand कि match में exactly हुआ क्या था. You're running so high on emotions to even understand what was going on. So which is why I feel कि कहीं ना कहीं this as an excuse is a bullshit thing that people are talking about. Anyhow, this has gotten very serious. I did not want to take that route, but we have spoken about Konate, we have spoken about the international players, how they're doing. By the way, words, we have to talk about words. So Jurgen Klopp has also given his tippany on words. Do you want to say something about that?
With words, it's just a matter of time. ये तो मतलब सबसे blatant चीज़, the most blatant fact in all of world football right now, it's that everybody knows that Wirtz is going to break into the scene eventually. It's not like कि we are not seeing him play well. It's just that अपने expectations वहाँ पे set हो गए हैं कि उस level पे वो नहीं खेल रहा है. But when you compare him to like 3/4 of the other modern day footballers, he is having a very good game even now. But then at the end of the day, obviously every single person out there knows and says that same thing about Wirtz, that it's just a matter of time. He just needs to find his footing. And इस पॉइंट पे मैं ये भी चीज़ बोलूँगा, लाइक हाउ मेनी टाइम्स हैव वी सीन मोहम्मद साला एडजस्ट टू अ टीम ओवर द कोर्स ऑफ हिम बीइंग अ लिवरपूल प्लेयर. जब 3-4 बार तो क्लॉप ने खुद का टीम बदला हुआ है, एंड उसमें साला का रोल चेंज हुआ है. काफ़ी टाइम उसने इसके साथ खेला, काफ़ी टाइम उसने उसके साथ खेला. कभी फ्रंट 3 में वो विंगर रहा है, कभी इन्वर्टेड खेला हुआ है, कभी वाइड उसने होल्ड किया हुआ है. एवरी टाइम ही हैज़ एडजस्टेड, बट देन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इस बार even Salah is having a tough time. Salah is one of the most mature players when you think of adjusting your gameplay around it. He used to be a goal getter, a poacher. People used to call him selfish, but then last season and last to last season हमने देखा हुआ है कि he picked up a completely different trend जहाँ पे he is picking up assists out of nowhere. Try वाला pass कर रहा है,
that was
hitting
crazy,
inside. मतलब कहाँ से pass निकाल के वो assist बना के दे रहा है. So
phenomenal season.
Yeah, so at the end of the day, if Salah is having if a player like Salah is having a tough time, Wirtz at this point of time is not a better player than Salah. He is not, and he is also young. He does not have experience on his side. तो अगर साला को मुसीबत हो रही है,
उसको तो
उसको
होनी
होना ही
थी.
था.
एंड आई ऑल्सो फील लाइक मेरे फेलो लिवरपूल फैंस, मैं आपको बस यही बोलना चाहूँगी कि यार ये जो एक नोशंस ट्विटर पे सोशल मीडिया पे बनते हैं ना, और इस पे ना ज़्यादा ध्यान ना देने. मैं इस वीडियो में इसीलिए मैं बनाई थी बिकॉज देयर वर सो मेनी.
देना भी नहीं है वो.
Like,
ट्विटर में
actually, I
जाते
got
ही
so many comments on this thing.
But
So,
then social media is because of that कि discourses are too many, because platforms are available to a lot of people. Everybody has
an
a lot
opinion,
of things to
yeah.
say. It's up to us to not take those things very seriously.
And
obviously.
also this is the thing.
It's all fun discourses. So
exactly. So whatever is going on, so we are just tackling it like that कि भाई इसमें ज़्यादा टेंशन लेने वाली बात नहीं है. अभी
मैंने तो भाई स्टार्टिंग में ही मैंने अपना मतलब क्या कहते हैं एक्सपेक्टेशन मैंने वेट किया हुआ था. आई केप्ट ऑन टेलिंग यू स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द सीजन कि लाइक चाहे जो भी हो जाए, यू नीड टू नो कि दिस इज अ वेरी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ अ सीजन. अगर वी वोंट, आई विल से दिस द लास्ट टाइम बिकॉज आई डू नॉट वांट टू ब्रिंग दैट अप अगेन एंड अगेन, बट Jota passing away and this many changes in a team, individually भी अगर ये चीज़ होती, not both of them happening simultaneously, even then this season needed to be taken in a very special perspective.
And this is a transition season for Liverpool. How many times, like, we as Liverpool fans have seen this Liverpool, like our owners or them even thinking of investing so much that we did now. Can you believe we have gotten Liverpool? We have gotten Wirtz and Isak in the same transfer window. And along with them, we have gotten Ekitike, Kerkez, Frimpong. मतलब लिस्ट नहीं ख़त्म हो रहा है. We have signed those players. बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि अपना स्क्वाड बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कि बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स बेचे भी हैं हम लोगों ने. तो विच इज़ वाई इट्स जस्ट दैट इट्स वेरी सरप्राइजिंग टू थिंक दैट लिवरपूल डिड एक्चुअली गो एम्बिशियस ऑन इट and signed all those players, and this is a very good scenario for us, and this is what we all wanted. ना इट कांट बी लाइक कि हाँ हमको प्लेयर्स भी साइन करने हैं और हम चाहते वो इमीडिएटली परफॉर्म भी करने लग जाएं. हर कुछ तो नहीं चलता ना भाई ऐसे. सो लेट अस थिंक ऑफ दिस सीजन एज अ ट्रांजिशन सीजन फॉर लिवरपूल, नो मैटर वॉट एनीबडी इज सेइंग. आप बस यही याद रखो, दिस इज द ट्रांजिशन सीजन फॉर लिवरपूल. इसमें अगर हम कुछ जीत गए वो सोने पे सुहागा है, नहीं जीते नेक्स्ट ईयर वी विल बी रियली मच मच बेटर. एंड आई एम नॉट गिविंग अप. आई एम नॉट सेइंग आई हैव लॉस्ट दैट एम्बिशन टू विन समथिंग.
ये जो argumentative narrative है, the arguments that are being put forward like Liverpool was lucky जो भी बोल रहे थे during the starting phases when we were winning games, तो कि हाँ इन्होंने इतना पैसा डाल दिया है अभी तो इनको परफॉर्म करना ही है, या फिर दे आर लकी जब हम लोग परफॉर्म कर रहे थे. एंड देन व्हेन वी वर नॉट परफॉर्मिंग दे सेड दैट नहीं अभी तुरंत ही तुमको परफॉर्म करना है. यू डू नॉट लाइक इट कैन नॉट बी आइदर और ना, मतलब ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता कि दोनों चीज़ें साथ में काम करेंगी. अगेन अगर मैं दूसरे साइड से भी अगर सोचूं लाइक एज अ राइवल फैंस पर्सपेक्टिव ऑब्वियसली, तो देखिए मतलब देयर आर 3 फैक्टर्स. इट्स अ ट्राइफेक्टा जो अपना एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, हाँ
अच्छा,
इट्स अ ट्राइफेक्टा ऑफ ये मतलब साइमल्टेनियस वर्किंग्स. तो जैसे कि मतलब द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, द ओनरशिप, दे इन्वेस्टेड इन द स्क्वाड. ठीक है, दे इन्वेस्टेड अ लॉट, सो वी कैन नॉट होल्ड देम अकाउंटेबल. Now the next thing is अगर वो नहीं तो manager
Slot, हाँ.
slot and the players we need to hold them accountable, but then at the end of the day this international window has been a huge eye opener of the players actually saying कि नहीं हम में नहीं है गलती, हम तो कर ही रहे हैं. So रह जाता है फिर एक ही चीज, and obviously not putting a lot of pressure on Slot, but then Slot needs to figure out how to make this team work, because it's very very evident
emotionally, mentally, physically, game plan
it's
wise,
very evident like the potential is there.
Yes.
Potential भी नहीं बोलूंगा कि मतलब हाँ इसको नर्चर करो या कुछ नहीं, वो पूरा बना बनाया एक चीज बना हुआ है, लेकिन उसको तुम एक बक्से में कैसे उसको फिट करोगे. You have the best of everything, but then you have to fix it in a box, and how are you going to do that, how are you going to rearrange it? That's what this season is.
See,
going to be
I
all
agree
about.
to you. I agree to you. I agree with you. But you know what? You have made this thing very difficult for me, because now he's speaking like this. Okay, what it will do is I'll have to manage the sound now, because I have told, this is the problem. That's why I don't get him. The thing is, I told him keep your mic here. You do your actions with this hand. But that doesn't happen now. I'll have to
I cannot talk without my hands.
You talk with your hand. You have one hand now to talk with that.
Dumb shits.
Keep it here and talk like that anyhow. See, that is the reason. That is the reason. But it's fine.
Do not digress, please. Stick
Yeah,
to the topic.
no, that was the topic. This is what we wanted to talk about, guys. So it's a fun little video I did with him. I'm not going to get him a lot on the channel, but I will get him whenever needed. So it's like, sort of an episode that I'll make out of it. But I hope you guys had fun, and I would love to know what you guys think about this particular video. Please don't forget to comment down below what did you think of it, and what are things that are going on in your life. If you want to share, I would love to read that. And I hope everything is good with you all, and enjoy the international break, because the next set of matches that are coming off Liverpool, they have very very bad timings, and our
It
sleep
has been a
cycle,
very peaceful 2 weeks.
एंड अभी पूरा तूफान आने वाला है भाई. 12:30 बजे रात के 1:30 बजे मैचेस. इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट, बट इट्स ओके. डिफिकल्ट तब तक नहीं लगता जब तक जीत रहे होते हैं. But कोई बात नहीं.
Exactly.
कोई नहीं, तो ऐसे ही चलता रहेगा. बाकी दिस इज द वीडियो गाइस. प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू
Like,
इतना
subscribe,
fast
hit the
बोल देते
bell
ना.
icon so that you never miss an update from me.
अपडेट
Thank you,
वीडियो
Navneet.
फ्रॉम मी. चलो ठीक है, दैट्स आल्सो एन अपडेट.
Hmm.
Okay. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from me. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste. You also do namaste. Use your hands now.